Children, today we are going to study the poem Rain. Children, do you know how do we get rain? Now let us see how do we get rain. Heat from the sun turns water from plants and leaves as well as oceans, lakes and rivers into water vapor, which disappears into air. This vapor rises, cools and changes into tiny water droplets, which form clouds. The water droplets which join together to form bigger drops. When the water droplets get too large and heavy, they fall as rain. Big, heavy droplets falling to the ground are called rain, and small droplets are called drizzle. Children, do you know that it's likely to rain when you see dark clouds approaching? They are dark because they are full of big water droplets. They block out the light from the sun. Drizzle falls more slowly than rain. Since it is much finer, it takes about 700 drizzle drops to make one raindrop. Children, have you smelt the rain? A pleasant, earthy scent that we can smell at the first raindrops. Children, shall we sing the poem Rain now? Rain. La 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 la. The rain is raining all around. It falls on fields and trees. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. The rain is raining all around. It falls on fields and trees. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. La 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 la. Written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Children, now shall we discuss what is good about rain? What are the benefits of rain? It cleans the air. It allows plants to grow. It fills streams, rivers, lakes and ponds. It adds humidity to the air. Rain is a contributing factor for the existence of animal life too, since animals need water to survive. Children, shall we discuss what are the food we prefer during rainy season? Pakoda, samosa, soup, masala chai, vada, bhaji and all the hot food items we prefer to eat. Now, can we discuss what are the things needed during rainy season? Umbrella, raincoat, quick dry clothings, small towels and tissues, rain cap, mosquito repellent, rubber footwear, waterproof covers, power bank, portable lighting such as torch lights. Children, have you enjoyed in the rain? How can you enjoy the rain? Take out some time from work or play to watch the rain falling through your window. Relax and breathe deeply. Ask others to appreciate the rain with you. Tell your parents to cook your favorite meal that you associate with rainy day like hot drinks, soups, hot tea, bhaji, samosa, etc. You can come out and play in rain for some time with an umbrella.
Hello everyone! Wow!
children. To improve your vocabulary, can we check what are the words starting with rain? Rainwater, raindrop, raincoat, reindeer, rainbow, rainfall, rain harvesting, rainforest, rainproof. Okay, bye children. Also don't get wet on the rain.